Within Houzz Pro 3D floor plans, laying out the space is just the starting point. The real magic happens when you start layering in actual finishes, your tile, your flooring, your wall coverings. So the design feels real, not just conceptual. Now you can bring in those exact materials and reuse them across projects, so you're not starting from scratch every time. It also helps clients really understand what they're getting, instead of trying to imagine it from a generic look. To do this, you'll first want to get your products into Houzz Pro. The easiest way is using the Houzz Pro Clipper. When you're sourcing from your vendors and come across something you love, you can save it straight into your library. That way, all your specs, images, and product details live in one place. And when you're building out your floor plan, everything is right there, ready to drop in. Alternatively, if you already have an image saved, you can add the finish under the My Items tab in your library. Just remember, for the best 3D results, use finish images that are clear, flat, and free of reflections or complex backgrounds. Once your 3D floor plan is open, there are a few ways to start the conversion. You can select My Products from the right-hand menu and click the purple Convert Product to 3D button. Or, for a more direct approach, simply click a floor or wall in your plan to open the material details, select the current material, and choose Image to Finish from the Materials library. In the next screen, select the product you just saved with the clipper or uploaded manually. If you haven't added it yet, you can also click Create Product right here to input the name, image, and vendor details. Once your product is selected and you've confirmed it is categorized as a finish, click Convert to 3D. While the 3D finish generates, you can continue working on your plan. When it's ready, you'll receive a notification to review the result. Here, you can choose between the AI result, which uses artificial intelligence to create a polished, seamless texture, or the original finish. Use the visual preview on the left to see which version best fits your design. After selecting your version, you must set the dimensions. This is a critical step for realism. Use the on-screen rulers to highlight a single tile or a single wood plank and input its exact width and length. For example, if you're using a large format tile, set the rulers to 12 by 24 inches. Being precise here ensures the proportions look correct when the finish is applied to the room. Once the measurements are set, click Save Finish. Your custom finish is now saved and ready to use. To apply it, go to the My Products section. You can even use the 3D Finishes filter to find it quickly. Click the plus icon next to your finish, and your plan will switch to Dollhouse view. From here, simply click on any wall, floor, countertop, or furniture piece to apply the texture. You can also find your creations in the Materials library under the My Finishes dropdown. Whether you're adding a custom marble to a countertop or a unique wallpaper to a bedroom wall, your finishes will be visible in both Dollhouse and walkthrough modes, giving your clients a stunningly accurate view of their future home.